If you know these objects, okay, if you know these objects, how to create and how to use, and you should not depend on me. Okay, you can work independently. Okay, without depending on me, you can work. Remember these objects, okay? If you are individually creating these objects, you should not depending on me. You can easily manage yourself, your work life, daily style. Okay? Very simple. These subjects are very simple, and we'll see tomorrow onwards how to create these objects and all. Okay, and then sorry, I need to cover this centralized and decentralized. Okay, basically, like no, in the initially earlier ERP, in the ERP we having multiple models, right? Multiple departments, sales department and delivery department, billing department, and purchase department and inventory department. So basically in the decentralized means when customer will come, that customer asking some product. Okay, this guy don't know how much stock is available. Stock is available or not, he don't know. He has to call to the inventory team and then he will come to know how much stock is available. So exactly customer came at 5 p.m. Customer came at 5 p.m. And this department is closed. Inventory team is not there. Already left the business. I mean left the office. So he don't have access for the inventory team to see the data, how much stock is available in the company. Okay, immediately, okay, this customer will go to the another business, right? He will go to the some other shop. Okay, he alternately he will be somewhere. Okay, in this way, we lose the business. Initially, okay, this is how developed the ERP tool, decentralized data. So later came centralized data. That means this all department integrated within the one ERP system. We can able to see sales department can able to see the inventory data. At least they will not do any changes. The sales department will not do have any authorization to change. Only the sales department can see only inventory data, just a display purpose. Oh, how much stock is available? Yeah, this much stock is available. They will inform to the customer, and they will inform to the inventory team as well. Anytime they will send any. So we are working like 24/7, right? One person available. Okay. Immediately customer asking Tata Punch. Okay, that customer inventory team will send to the sales department that car. Immediately they will intimate to the customer. Ah, this is our product. Okay. Immediately pay the amount and they can clear the invoices and he can sales department deliver to the his home. Where is his home? Delivery. Whatever he give any address, they will deliver to the customer and deliver home delivery. And finally, he will pay the amount. Okay, all the details will go business. So decentralized data it will give the degrading the performance, losing the business. So all advantages available in the centralized data. Okay, this is how centralized all the department within one ERP tool and interchange their uh, data access only. They will not do any changes in this inventory or purchase. They just having the access to see the data. Okay, inventory team also can able to see how much sales happened for today, how much products delivered to the customers today. Any department can able to see it. And PP production also can see it. Oh, how much today products are manufactured today. Everything we can able to see in by using codes. We need to go the T code and if you have access, then you can go to and see the data. So in the SAP, for everything we need to take the authorization. Simply you cannot get the access. Okay, we need to take the manager approval, they will give access. For example, if we want to see SC01, we have a T code SC01. Okay, which user we are using it now? So I'm using like no SAP HANA. This is HANA user ID. By using HANA user ID, real time once you join, they will create one ID for you. Okay, that user ID. So what is your roles? So here they can assign the roles. You can able to access the sales department or inventory department based on your access. Okay, otherwise you cannot access. If you are a developer, you can able to access everything. But how about others? Okay. I mean, for example, Europe, we have a multiple users. Okay. Middle East, multiple users. They cannot able to access the Europe data. Europe people cannot able to access the for specific their department data only can able to see it. We are developers. We having everything. Okay. Developer role will not provide to the users, right? Yeah. Based on these roles only, they will get every people can access the team or T course. Okay. This is basis team again. Okay. Then again we having different tools basically. SAP functional and SAP technical. We have two types again. Okay. Functional models. We will call as a functional models. What are the functional models? SAP HD and MM and FI, whatever in the ERP, that is like, no, these are all function models. These are all functional models. Okay. PP. Okay. QM, quality management, and PS. PS. So these are all models like no functional models, and we have a like no technical models. ABAP. ABAP like no programming. Completely we have a end-to-end solution it will provide you. Sometimes SAP tool, I want to create one object. I'm unable to access create the object by using these options. Whatever we have options, I'm unable to use by using GUI. This is GUI. Okay, in that situation, we'll go for ABAP programming. By using ABAP programming, you can achieve anything. Okay, this is coming under technical model and SAP BW. We are under technical model and also the basis. So basis team, everything they will help us like no to installing the SAP GI. So you can see this is SAP GI, SAP GI. If you want to install, initially you are joined into one company. Okay. So in that company, empty laptop you will get it. And you have to connect with the SAP base system. They will install SAP GI. They will install SAP HANA Studio. They will install SAP HANA AFO. All the tools they will install us. Okay. Admin part and all they will take care. All these things. We need to raise the ticket that they will assign ticket to the basis team. So these are all technical models. Okay. Any sometimes the SAP BW server is down. Okay, they will take care. Basis team. Okay, everything server relevant issues and all will approach to the basis team. Okay. This is how functional model and technical models will work. So in the real time, okay, we have to work with all people. SAP HD, we have to extract the data. SAP MM, we have to extract data. SAP FI, and we have to extract data CO. We have to extract data PP. So from these models, we have to get the data from source system like ECP, ECC, this data available in SAP ECC or S4HANA. These all modules available in the SAP ECC or S4HANA. Okay. This is like on-premise system. This is cloud system. Okay. These all models available in the SAP ECC. This is old version. This is 6.0. And this is cloud version. These all modules are integrated in the S4HANA. Okay, we can get it. So once you join any company, they will have, currently I'm working with SAP BW. And also SAP ECC and S4HANA. Both we have data. We have to extract data from SAP BW and SAP S4HANA to BW. And sometimes we have to load data from flat file as well. Flat file. Sometimes we have to extract data from Oracle as well. Sometimes we have to extract data from SQL as well. Sometimes we have to extract data from Salesforce. Depending on the client, where they're storing the data. Might be they're storing data into the flat file. I will get data into BW. Whatever they have data into the Oracle, I will get data into BW. Based on that, I will design the report. Clear. So this is how business will happen. Okay. Okay. These all models would be there from there based upon the requirement. So in the course, we'll discuss many reports. We'll discuss like few reports. Uh, okay. You have to do practice daily. Okay, some sales, daily sales report we'll discuss, daily sales report we'll discuss, monthly sales report we'll discuss, monthly sales report discuss, and finance reports we'll discuss. Okay, we need to go object wise object. We'll discuss SAP BW for HANA concepts. Okay, SAP BW on HANA concepts and SAP BW version. All versions you should worry ready to work on these options. Don't worry. Okay, I will explain you. SAP Native HANA, all options, and S4 HANA serious views. We'll discuss. Okay, all these options we'll discuss. Okay, don't worry, and we'll load it. Finally, I will explain you in this data sphere as well. Okay. If you are working on only SAP BW for HANA, you will get 15 lakhs, 16 lakhs salary, only one model. And if you are working on SAP native HANA also, you will get 15, 20 lakhs salary. And if you are working on, if you know SAP S4 HANA also, you will get 10 to 15 lakhs salary. Any model is fine. Okay, individual model. But instead of learning one model, we are learning multiple models as like package and you can work together in the real time like no not only one course you will be work. Okay, we are working on like no, BW for HANA and native HANA and S4 HANA and data sphere all together we have to work depending on the client requirement only. Sorry, currently I'm working on BW on HANA and S4 HANA and also native HANA. Okay, I don't have data sphere. Depends on client only. Some my one of my student working on BW for HANA and native HANA and S4 HANA and also DataSphere. Depends on client. So that is the way we are going to discuss. You are fit with all these models. End of the day. Okay. I'm not sure you will get SAP BW for HANA, BW on HANA, or BW on BW system or native HANA. Depends on the client. But at end of the day, you should work on these all systems independently. This is our goal. Okay. Same report I can develop daily sales report in the SAP native HANA that we will see. And same monthly sales report also I can develop in the native HANA that we'll see. And same report I can develop in the S4 HANA also. Same report I will develop into the BW4 HANA. So we'll see same report will develop into different model, different tools. Okay. Finally, we'll come to know how to design all these things. Okay. We are ready with all this. And data sphere also you can develop this all objects. Okay. Any doubts? And tomorrow onwards, we'll start practicals. Okay. Okay, bro. Bye.
So,
Yeah.
what you are explaining till now, it's very good that I am using ERP and I got this thoroughly. I working on ERP, so I get it done very quickly. But like what you are explaining is very good.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah, so even if you don't have SAP background, if you are having, okay, if you're having SAP background, nice to have it, okay? Don't bother about it. So I will explain you very detailed level, okay, how to do, okay, step by step. Do not worry at that. But even if you are coming from BA background or civil background, don't think like that. Okay, people confuse you. Okay. Whatever I'm explaining you, just do the practice, you will get it end of the day. I'm sure, okay, in the February, you keep like no target. Get the job.
Okay, sir.
Keep salary more than 1 lakh. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Any other doubts? Okay. Thank you all. Bye.